Hello guys, welcome back. I am Valentin and today I'm going to show you how to make a very easy chicken curry recipe. For this we're going to need the next ingredients. I have chicken breast who I cut it cubes already, very important coconut milk, no cream, tomato sauce, salt, pepper, curry, fresh thyme, garlic, onion and olive oil. All the right quantities, you guys are going to find it in the description below. Okay, firstly we're going to start with searing the chicken. Olive oil. We need a medium hot pan. After searing the chicken, in the same pan, we can put the onion, garlic and the fresh thyme. We cook the onion for 7 to 10 minutes. Now we're going to put our curry powder, salt and pepper, we need to saute the curry powder also for 2 minutes so you will get a stronger flavor. After that, we're going to go in with the chicken. Coconut milk, tomato sauce, after we add all the ingredients, we're gonna leave it on a slow heat for 15 minutes so our sauce will get nice and thick. Okay, after 15 minutes, this is how our dish looks. It has a very nice color, very creamy texture. This is my super easy chicken curry recipe. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.